Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about the component diagram and deployment diagram. First, we are going to see about the component diagram. So just we can go for aim of the component diagram. Our aim is to draw a component diagram of dental clinic management system with SMS feature. Objective: the component diagram fall under the category that of an implementation diagram, a kind of diagram that models implementation and deployment of the system. A component diagram in a particular is used to describe the dependencies between various software components, such as the dependency between executable file and source file. Description about component. Now we can see about the component. A component represents a software entire entity in a system. Example: include source code files, programs, documents, and resource files. The component is represented using rectangular boxes with two rectangular produce pro- producing from the left side. That means that this is the thing they are saying about. This is the rectangular box, and this is the two rectangular box which are on the left side. Now we can go for the dependency. A dependency is used to model the relationship between two components. The notation of the dependency relationship is dotted arrow pointing from a component to the component it depends on. This is the arrow they are saying about. This is the dependency arrow. The scenario of the application. The application is dental clinic management system with SMS feature. The existing dental clinic management system with SMS feature is a manual system. So when we go for the manual system, it may take more time to upload a software, or I mean that upload a data or something else. It may take more time. If we go for automatic, it will be very easy and time consumption will be very low for the dental clinic management system with the SMS feature. The manual system is prone to error. It is a time consuming and difficult to manage dental cleaning. As I said before, to manage the data of every patient, when we go for manual, it may contain error. Then it will be very difficult to manage everything by a single person or multiple person. It may leads to many errors. The most of the delivery management system are not having any existing fully computerized system. To avoid this kind of problem, dental clinic management system is introduced. This project is useful for any kind of dental clinic management system to manage the hospital details and the patient record details, to pay the hospital fees from the patients, to process the hospital facilities details, and all kind of hospital management through online through SMS feature. The patient can apply and view their appointment details through online through SMS feature itself. Then the main objective of the application is to automate all the possible functionalities of hospital and provide online service to the patients. Using the system, staff and patients can know the details about the present details, terms and conditions, etc. The system is convenient and flexible to the user. It will be very user interface, rich user interface. It saves time, effort, money, resources. User friendliness is provided in the application with the various control provided by system rich user interface. Now let's go for the component diagram. This is the component diagram. Here, the staff is the one which holds everything. First, staff goes for the doctor. Otherwise, they just picks the doctor for the operation or that appointment for the patients. Then patient that just consults. Then doctor just consults the patients. Then patients comes for the operations. Then patient goes for the submission and ask the what staff will give the what details. If the staff is going for the lab assistant, that means that if the patient is needs to go for the lab, then go for the lab assistant. Then patient just goes for the lab for the test here. Then the patient is connected to the paramessage. That means that if the patient needs some medicines, they just go here. Then the staffs will come here. That means that staffs notifying them. Otherwise, they just asks the bill from the paramedic that asks them just makes the bill for the patients. It will be easier for them to. This is the deployment diagram. First, we are going to see the aim. To draw the deployment diagram is the aim. Absolute is the aim. Then objective of the deployment diagram. Deployment diagrams are another model in implementation diagram category. The deployment diagram models the hardware used in the implementation as a system and association between those component hardware components. The components can also be shown on a deployment diagram to show the location of their deployment. Deployment diagram can also be used early in the design phase to document physical architecture of a system. This is the physical architecture of the system. First one is a patient. The patient just go for test, or otherwise the patient goes for parameter. Then our receptionist or operation, it's according to his choice of wish. So I didn't give any dependency here or deploy here. If he goes for operation, automatically just go consults the doctor. Then doctor checks the database. Then the receptionist gives the database for that operation. Then operation continues. Or otherwise, if the patient just consults the receptionist checks whether he want the database or want to go to the ward. That means that operation ward. If you want to visit there, he just continues here. Then he just consulted with the ward staff. Then ward staff just deploy the database here. Then otherwise, if the patient goes for the parametric, he just goes for the database here. Absolute database will be present here. Otherwise, if the patient continuously otherwise entirely just goes for the test, the lab assistant test will go for the lab assistant. Then lab assistant will check the database. It will be connected here. Database deploy the database here. This is the main motto of the deployment diagram. The deployment diagram is based on the patient wish. Then this is the result. The component diagram and the deployment diagram for the given application dental clinic management system with SMS feature is done and verified. Thank you guys.